Piece of shit. Say hello. Say hello to Farhan's next vlog. Fucking YouTuber. Piece of shit. 3 cans worth in the US. It looks like monumental shit, you know, in book when you check in books, yeah, it looks like, but it's really small. Hi guys, this time we're gonna go to Venice again because Jessica is kind enough to invite us to a guided tour around the northern islands of Venice, like Murano, Burano, and like one place, like a glass blowing factory. But yeah, that time I didn't know anything because like I didn't read the thing that she gave me. But like yeah, I just like bought the ticket and then came with them. And yeah, enjoy the video.
Everybody's getting ready.
Featuring Sebastian, Brito, Diego Andrade. Who else?
We can just take a ferry to Murano and catch up with the bus.
What the hell? Yeah?
Of course, yeah.
You wanna fill us in?
I will just order on the streets and I will wait for you guys.
Can you tell me like what's happening?
Okay, so Jessica planned a boat trip, but it's fucked up because all the train stations are fucked up, so we are not gonna make it. That's it. Vado dritto e la prima sinistra.
Maybe we'll be 10 15 minutes behind.
15, you think? No, you have to walk.
No, we're not going there. We're taking
De Vaporetto
right in front of
a Santa Lucia. Okay.
We figured it out, you guys. We're doing it and we're gonna make it. We have to.
This fucking video has to be viral, man. How to fuck up a boat trip. Yeah.
Forget it. More than the fucking board right now. No way. Being hopeful again.
Again, yeah. And we are showing the hopes.
11:03.
Go to Ignacio Gardel a casa a las 3 y a beber un Negroni.
No, I'm not saying anything about it. I'm just listen. Why are we fucking No.
So we just arrived to oh no. We didn't know the music, right? Yeah. What? Ah, bonito.
Okay, Diego,
What?
you're the
We finally at ¿cómo se llama this shit? Murano Faro, bro. That means Murano Lighthouse. beautiful.
Beautiful, beautiful.
Say hello.
We made it. We made
We
it.
finally made it. So now we are gonna look for a bar and drink.
What's happening?
We don't know if the boat
She
is
said like walk around. I don't give a fuck. Like look at.
She gave us the direction to the glass blowing factory, but we don't know if the boat is here. So we might just end up having
Like
an
fucking look
aperitif
at,
or
like, just
Yeah,
walk
yeah.
around.
yeah.
Yeah, it was a bit of a shame because like we cannot have the full experience in the glass blowing factory, but we have some opportunities. Like we saw the master, the glass blower, worked on like some kind of a vase or like a mug. I forgot. But yeah, it was really fascinating though. It's a shame that we couldn't make it on time.
You do all of that.
Interview Sebastian or Jessica for yeah. No, I don't know how to talk.
It's you. Do it.
Okay, so we are we finally make it again.
We made it.
Yeah, we made it. So we are going. I don't know where we are going.
Burano. We're
I'm
going to
trusting
Burano.
Jessica.
No.
I don't know why I'm here. I don't know why I'm here sitting in this fucking boat. But let's see.
Let's see.
What's next. So we are about to.
Let's leave.
Next, we're gonna dazzle you with colors. It's gonna be colors.
Chute droit pendant 4 minutes en direction de l'église et ça vous permettra de joindre la place avec tous les restaurants et les magasins.
Okay, tour guide. What's happening now?
Finally, everybody has acknowledged my genius. And here we are in the most.
I almost killed the cat.
I was escaping in the most beautiful island.
Say, come again.
Huh?
Come again. What did you say?
Fucking Murano is beautiful.
Really?
I have with my best friend Jessica Fernandez
I'm the best
from
friend.
Quito, Ecuador. Please talk in Spanish, for God's sake.
Vamos.
Good. This So what?
So, what are we doing now?
She's waiting for food. Fucking paloma.
Paloma.
What's this shit?
What did you buy?
There was no tag,
Yeah.
but it looks quite good. I think it's fried dough with like chocolate. Looks incredible.
What did you buy?
I don't know the name, but it's good, right?
Yeah, it's good. I'm gonna buy something.
Diego. Go.
10 families or 10 people, contention. We don't know how many people are here, but it's very, very few.
But at the beginning, how many? What?
We are in Torcello, yes, Burano, 20,000, and we're massively decreasing. And yeah, let's see, Roman ruins.
Roman ruins. We have to walk like on the only road like this. They said that this is the only road. Like we have to walk for like 10 minutes to reach the Roman ruins. That's it. The historic center. It's not like I think it's more like a ruins or something, no?
You know, it's a good picture, but it's.
Look at the nails.
Yeah.
Those. Look at this.
Okay, so now it's.
I think it's finished on a high. Started in a low point, but cold.
It's fucking cold now. We are at 6 degrees in our car. Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah, let's take a fucking chocolate. This guy is still filming shit.
Dead.
So basically that was the tour. We got dropped back on San Marco and then we have to walk back to Santa Lucia for like 20-30 minute walk. But yeah, basically the tour is done. So thank you for watching, I guess, and see you in the next video. Bye.
What happened? What happened?
No,
We were talking about the winged lion. That's supposed to be the symbol of Venice.
Vittorio. Okay.
He's supposed to be the symbol of Venice because Saint Mark is symbolized by a winged lion in the Book of Revelations in the Bible. So, yeah. But,
Look
yeah,
at
but we got the name
Diego.
of the guy on top.
Diego's taking pictures.
His name is everywhere.
outside the family that was up.
What?
They revealed it, right?
What?
They revealed it.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I don't remember.
Because you didn't read the fucking book, but that is
I only remember that the way that the piazza is like, you know, like it's switched.
They say it's 12. It's like splitting the veil.
for sure that's gonna be.
Beautiful.
Yeah, I make a video of that because I was right there. And then they started
Okay, so the statues, it looks like when the bell rings, it looks
Yeah.
like the
Yeah, they have
statues
like hammers.
itself are
So they
hidden.
started
They actually moved.
Yeah.
Those one?
Amazing.
Which one? Ah, those one.
Yeah.
Ah.
I talk.
Yeah, you talk. What?
And you see, most of the columns here, they're different because they were stolen from the, also in the Crusades from the Byzantine Empire.
Ah.
So they bring them to show how powerful the
Yeah, everything is a mismatch here. Like if you
Yeah.
have all these different.
But that's what it makes it beautiful. Yeah, look at the colors. All of them are like different styles. Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to the station,
Yeah.
and our mother right here told us to stay close.
Say it again, please. In that way that you.
Stay close, okay, guys. Because everybody gets lost. Very, very
In
fast.
Venice. We have to stay close because Jessica said that people got lost easily here
Yes.
because the road is small and narrow. Yeah. Vishnu is waiting inside the bathroom. We arrived in Mantova. Now is
It's 3 degrees.
yeah, like 8:45 and it's 3 degrees. We got here early, like an hour early, no? Yeah, an hour early because like we took the
20 minutes delayed, but an hour early.
yeah.
Do the math.
So now we're going to grab some burgers for dinner because we're all hungry. And then yeah, we'll see you again.
Close. Done.
Goes down. See ya in the next video.
Get a like, comment, and subscribe.
Hit the bell icon.
Yeah. Hit the bell icon.
Now here.